HPS picking technology has helped Barbot Paints, one of the leading manufacturers of paint in Portugal, reduce their bacterial contamination and improve their production efficiency. Here's how.
Barbot Paints produces a wide range of solvent and water-based paint products. They were experiencing problems caused by bacterial contamination, resulting in 20% of their product being returned for rework. This caused significant time and cost issues.
Barbot chose HPS due to our extensive experience in the paint industry. We designed and implemented multiple pigging systems that recover residual product as well as reducing contamination.
With 4 pigging lines installed, we help Barbot reduce contamination from 20% to just 1% of their output. The system also allows for water to be recycled into their production, improving sustainability.
Since HPS pigging systems were commissioned, Barbot Paint has nearly eliminated all bacterial contamination, decreased product recalls, and increased their product yields. They're saving time, money, and improving their environmental sustainability.
If you're facing similar challenges or wanting to improve efficiency in your production, we're here to help. Download the full case study on our website to learn more.